back to my channel. So I have another Walgreens video for you guys. Right here I have two separate transactions. This right here is my first transaction. I have some gain. I have 2 boxes of 10 packs Radiant tampons, and I have 2 boxes of 10 packs Pearl tampons. And this is all in my first transaction. With my second transaction over here, I have 5 bottles of the Downy fabric softener. I have 5 of the Palmolive dish soaps. I have 2 Colgate Optic White toothpaste. I have some Downy dryer sheets, and I have 2 bags of Skittles. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the first transaction. So right here, you guys, with this transaction, these are P&G products. These are a part of the P&G deal. So in the ad, select P&G products, you can receive 5,000 points when you spend $20. So all 5 of these products that I have right here are a part of P&G. But I messed this deal up, you guys, because I supposed to have grabbed 2 boxes of 10 packs tampons and 2 boxes of Always pads right here. I have 4 boxes of 10 packs, but I was supposed to have had 2 10 packs and 2 Always. And because of that, it messed my transaction up because one of my coupons didn't come off because I didn't grab the right products. So with the gain is priced this week at Walgreens for $4.99. I did use a $1 off digital coupon that I had clipped to my account. And with that coupon, it brought the price down to $3.99. With the 10 packs and the Always pads, they are priced this week 2 for $8. There is a $3 off of 1 10 packs coupon that I used, and then there's also a $3 off of 1 Always coupon that I was planning on using if I would have grabbed the right items. But since you guys, it's funny though, because I was taking my time when I went into Walgreens tonight, and I could have sworn I grabbed 2 boxes of Always pads. I could have sworn I did it, but apparently I didn't. So with this, with all of these 5 products right here, I did spend $20. I think my total came out to be $20.99. And so with the $3 off coupon coming from the 10 packs tampons plus the $1 off coupon from the gain, that's a total of $4 that came off. And so that brought my total down to $16.99. So let me go ahead and show you guys my receipt. So right here, as you can see, the first 2 10 packs rung up 2 for $8. The next 2 rung up 2 for $8. The gain liquid did ring up at $4.99. And as you can see right here, the 10 packs Pearl, that's the $3 off coupon that came off. And then also the gain digital came off as well. And like I said, another $3 off coupon supposed to have came off, which is for the Always. But I grabbed 10 packs instead of Always. So that brought my overall subtotal to $16.99, not including taxes. And when you look down here, I got 200 everyday points, and I did get back 10,000 points. So with the 10,000 points, remember, I got 5,000 points back for spending 20 on P&G products. And then I also had a booster, a digital booster, get 5,000 points when you spend $20 in a transaction. So I got back 10,000 points total. And because this is a spin deal, I didn't use points. You can't use points, okay? Because it's a spin deal. So if you are expecting to receive points, you want to make sure that you don't pay with points. So since I didn't pay with points, I did receive my 5,000 for spending 20 with the P&G and my 5,000 for spending $20 in a transaction. So you guys, with me paying $16.99 out of pocket and getting back 10,000 points, that brought my total down to just $6.99 for all 5 products, or $1.40 each. But what it should have been was my subtotal should have been $13.99, and I get back 10,000 points. So I would have only paid $3.99 for 5 products, or each product would have been 80 cents each. But learn from my mistakes and don't be like me. Make sure that if you do plan to do this deal, make sure that you grab 2 Always pads and 2 10 packs tampons. So that's the first transaction, you guys. And so over here in my next transaction, with this transaction, I had a plan. So if you haven't watched my previous Walgreens video, You can tap this eye up top. But in that video, I got a total of $16 in register rewards back. I got 5 from doing the Old Spice and Olay deal, 5 from doing the L'Oreal deal, and $6 from doing the Colgate deal. And so with that $16 in register rewards, I knew that I wanted to go into Walgreens and get some items that I know I needed but didn't have coupons for. And so that is what this transaction is for. So let's go ahead and start with the Downy. So with the Downy, so it's Downy, Bounce, and I forgot what else, but I have a screenshot up here so you guys can see. But select of those products are spend 20, get 5,000 points. And so the Downy is priced at 2 for $7 along with the Downy dryer sheets. So the Downy fabric softener and the Downy dryer sheets, they are priced at 2 for $7. You can mix and match. When you spend $20, you will receive 5,000 points. So I grabbed a total of 5 Downy fabric softeners and 1 box of Downy dryer sheets. So 2 for $7. So I grabbed 6 total. So that already put me at $21. I also needed some more dish soap because first of all, I am completely out of Downy fabric softener because I sold all of the Downy softener that I had in my bundles. And then I also sold majority of all of my dish soap that I had. I do still have a few bottles, but it's not as near as many that I had before. So I needed to stock up on these. And so I thought this would be the perfect time to do it. So I grabbed 5 of these Palmolive dish soaps, and these are priced at Walgreens this week for 99 cents, no coupons. I also grabbed 2 more of these Colgates, and these are priced at $2.99. When you buy 2, you will receive 4,000 points. There's a $1 off of 1 digital coupon that you can use on one, and then you can also go to the Colgate website and print off a $1 off coupon as well. So $2.99 times 2 is $5.98. You use both of those coupons, it'll bring your total to $3.98. You will get back 4,000 points, and it'll make these toothpaste free. And I just wanted to go ahead and pick up 2 more because, I mean, hey, they're free. And so with the Skittles weren't initially a part of this deal. So what happened with this transaction was I put everything on the counter for the cashier to scan, and it looked as if she scanned everything, and I had already calculated my stuff. I had it on my phone. So I was looking at, I was keeping an eye, making sure I grabbed everything. I had the total, what coupons were going to come off. I had everything planned out. And so with this transaction, I was using a get 6,000 points when you spend $30. And then I also was doing the get 5,000 points when you spend $20 with the Downy. And so after she was done scanning all of my items, she scanned the get 6,000 points booster coupon, and she was like, oh wait, it's not taking this because it looks like you only spent $28. I was like, wait, 28? That's weird. Instead of me just saying, okay, what I should have done was ask her to repeat back the things that she had on the screen so that I could double check and see where I went wrong. But instead of me doing that, since she told me I only spent 28, I just grabbed 2 of these Skittles, and I think these Skittles were priced at 99 cents. And so I just grabbed both of these, and so that put me at $30 and some change. And then she scanned the coupon. And so once everything was done, I went to my car. I looked at my coupon because I was just curious because I just wanted to make sure that I didn't miscalculate something. And so when I looked at my when I looked at my receipt, I noticed that I only got charged for 1 Colgate, but she had both of the Colgates in the bag. And so what I had to do was go back into the store, and I let her know. And so she called the manager over, and the manager knows me. She called the manager over, and what the manager did was just give me 5,000 points because the cashier had asked me, she was like, were you getting any points for this? I said, yes, I was supposed to have gotten 4,000 points. And so the manager came over, and she just gave me 5,000 points instead. So let me show you guys my receipt. So the first 2 Palmolive rung up at 99 cents. Next 2, 99. Another Palmolive at 99. Both Skittles at 99. And here's the 1 Colgate that rung up at $2.99. And then 5 of the Downy rung up at 2 for $7. Here's the other Downy dryer sheets. And so the point coupon purchase is to get the 6,000 points back for spending 30. And then I had a manufacturer Colgate $1 off coupon and a digital one. So obviously digital didn't come off because only one was shown. So the paper coupon came off. And then I used my $16 in registry rewards. I used two $5 registry rewards and one $6. So that brought my overall subtotal to $13.92, not including taxes. And when you look down here, for everyday points, I got back 300, and for bonus points, I got back 11,000. So I got back my 5,000 points for the Downy because I spent 20. I got back my 6,000 points because I spent $30. So that's where the 11,000 points came from. Plus, with the issue with my Colgate, I supposed to have gotten 4,000 points. The manager gave me 5,000 points. So, I paid $13.92 out of pocket. Got back 11,000 points plus this 5,000 points. That's a total of 16,000 points. So all in all, even though, you know, I messed this transaction up, and even though we had a little issue with this, at the end of the day, this is still a great transaction in my opinion. And I still wanted to come on here and show you guys because couponing is not always peaches and cream. You're not going to always go in the store and do everything right. You are going to make mistakes. And I'm not just going to post videos on, you know, my good times when I go into the store and get stuff. I'm also going to show you guys that I do mess up too. So just learn from my mistakes, and I just wanted to come on here and show you guys this video. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up. If you guys are not subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you guys would consider subscribing. If you are not following me on Instagram, I will have my link in the description box below. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below because I will most definitely respond to you. And so I think that is it for this video, you guys, and I will see you all in my next one.